I'm with Ollie down the flying field. It's a bit of a blustery day, bit of bit changeable weather, and it's July, isn't it? It's ridiculous, the weather at the moment. Summer will arrive soon. But Ollie, we've got this. We got a new wing sent to us by Banggood. What is this?
It's the Baby AR Wing Pro.
So relatively small for a wing.
Yeah.
Tell us what you get in the box.
So in the box you get everything you need to fly, apart from the receiver and apart from the receiver you get motor and speed controller, get all the servos. All goes together really nice. These you just stick on with a bit of contact adhesive. You get a proper as well.
And it is designed for FPV, so we've put a Caddx Walksnail Avatar in the front. You can see where we've got the VTX there, and that's quite good position because there's the cooling, isn't there? There's the duct.
Yeah.
If you put the lid on, you can see that it's almost designed for that position. It's really important with VTXs that you get good airflow over them, because if they're static, as we found, because this was in a car, kind of a Humvee car that we reviewed a few weeks ago, and it was overheating, wasn't it? Because there was no airflow over it, and you could see the temperature going up. It came up to over 100 degrees. So cooling is very important. And what radio are you using? That's a Zorro, isn't it?
Yeah.
From our friends, show us that, from our friends at, pick that up.
Friends were at P Hobby.
From Radio Master.
Yeah.
And you're actually, what's the power of these multi-protocol radios? You've got a Futaba receiver in there, haven't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. So this is the brilliant thing. You can buy one of these relatively inexpensive but really full-featured radios and leverage all your old receivers. Don't have to buy new receivers unless you really need to. So right, we're going to fly this. Well, you're not going to fly FPV. You're Trevor's beside me. He's going to fly it, and you're going to put the goggles on. Okay, let's give it a go. Well, it's even windier out here, but we're gonna go. So Ollie's wearing the gogs. He's going to give it a hand launch. We're recording on the goggles. So go for it, guys.
Okay, there you go, Ollie. Take the wing. Just go halfway out into the runway.
Woo!
When the motor revs up, wait 2 seconds and give it a launch, okay?
Right, might try to launch it that way.
Yeah, ready?
More of a drop than a launch.
She's up.
But it's up.
Yeah. Wow. Oh, sorry.
Man, that's incredible.
Right, come and stand over here, just slightly.
Okay.
Just trying to trim it. How's the view then?
Oh man, it's incredible.
Good view?
Yeah.
Nice and clear?
Nice to film it. Yeah, nice and clear.
Excellent.
It's quite twitchy on the ailerons. This is the first time I've really experienced the wing, so I don't know if that's normal.
Well, yeah, it won't need a lot of throw, so some rates would probably be a good idea.
Low pass. Fighting the wind a bit, really.
Take it up high, Trevor. As high as you can go, and maintain visibility. Give him some nice high views. Go higher than that, come on!
Okay, how's that looking? Can you see much?
Yeah, I can see loads, man. That's so cool.
That should be us again.
Yeah, that's us.
Right, now Trev, you want to come down to a medium height, and then you're going to give Ollie a go on the sticks?
Yeah, from what you've seen, Ollie, do you reckon you've had like that, just be gentle with the stick. So that's not a bad height. Let me just...
Just gentle on the sticks, Ollie, and Trevor will keep an eye on you and tell you whether to go left or right.
Oh. Okay, keep... Alright, you got the sticks?
The sticks, yeah.
Alright, you want to go left?
Whoa, man, it's...
That's coming towards us. Alright, level it out. Okay, turn to the right. Level it out. Oh, well done, you're doing a good job.
Man, it's really sensitive.
Right, you want to gain a little bit of height. Just give me a chance if I do have to recover it. Alright, down with the stick. Now, can you see the ground?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, big turn to the left, keep it going around. Can you see us?
Yeah, I can see us.
So this is literally your first time flying FPV, right, Ollie?
Yeah, and first time flying the wings, that's all.
And first time flying the wing as well.
All really new.
This is actually going quite well. I don't want to jinx it, but I thought...
why'd you say that?
I thought this was going to be...
Well, you're being sensible about it and staying high.
yeah, which is probably good for the
And I think
camera view.
I think what we've learnt is that it's a little bit too sensitive. You've got too much throw on the
on the ailerons.
On the aileron.
It just doesn't feel like very stable. But then it's the first time I've flown a wing, so I don't really know.
Well, it's blowing.
what
It's blowing
like.
at 15, 20 miles an hour today.
Yeah, you really...
You're doing well. It's all your height and everything looks quite good.
Just stop talking, you're going to keep checking to the
Right,
end.
turn to left.
Man, this is actually awesome. So I'll see if I can do halves down the runway.
Yeah.
Yeah. Not
Oh, he's
too
getting
low, though.
confident. He's getting a bit confident now.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I'm
no
not gonna,
lower than that. Keep it at that height if you can gauge your height.
not gonna...
That's good. That's right. Alright, then the runway gain some height gently. Yeah, keep it going up at that angle. You can actually up the throttle a bit, just to help you fight through the wind. Right, you're gaining height. If you want to turn left again, you should see the runway. You want to go right, if anything. Go right, because that's going to bring you back down the runway. See us? Give me a wave. See me waving?
No, I can't, it's too far away.
Oh, okay, just a red dot.
Can you go in there?
Yeah?
Kinda.
Yeah. I reckon Ollie should be able to land that.
Yeah. Oh no, totally.
Yeah.
Totally. It's no fun unless he tries to land it.
Oh, I just hope I don't go in a crash compilation.
Quite a strong wind. It's not going to glide.
Yeah, so you won't need much of a run.
Am I landing now?
No, just running around for the moment, I think.
Try a loop.
Luke, oh my god, dog.
Yeah.
Come on.
Okay, wait till you wait, give it a minute. Oh, what are you doing?
You want to dip down, get some
push the
speed,
nose down,
shallow dive, and then pull over the top.
pull back.
Oh,
Hey!
scary. I thought I was going to crash it.
Turn left, bring it towards us again. See us?
Yeah, it's not actually as bad as what you think to kind of gauge it with the FPV.
Do you know, Sage, that considering Ollie hasn't got his A tests yet, he's actually making it look like he knows what he's doing?
Yeah, absolutely.
Quite surprised.
I think this is, for me, kind of showing it's sometimes easier to fly FPV than it is line of sight.
Yeah, well, I must admit, I struggled with the orientation with the wing. It's really deceiving sometimes.
Well, it wouldn't be if you're wearing the goggles. It's
You know where it is all the time.
yep. How are we doing on battery, do you think?
Not sure, it might be worth thinking about a landing.
I'll come in around. Am I landing?
You're gonna land into wind, so I'll give you direction. So gain height, turn right, Ollie.
Right.
I'm landing it now.
Yes.
Okay.
You got a big wide strip to aim for, Ollie.
See the strip?
Yeah, I can see the strip.
So you're at a good height. So you want to come off the throttle, a bit more throttle,
Let it come down. Down, down, down.
really impressed. That's amazing.
No, that's good fun.
Yeah,
It's amazing fun. It's amazing fun.
I'm really impressed.
I thought it's going to end up in that tree over there.
No. Right, you're going to go and collect, Trev, and we'll have a final summary.
I don't get it.
So final thoughts then. So this is probably the simplest thing in FPV that you could get to get the FPV experience. It goes together really quickly, you were saying, Ollie.
Yeah, it's just a few screws kind of hold it all together.
And you get the motor in there, you get the speed control, you just got to put in your receiver.
Yeah.
And then we put in the Caddx Walksnail system, FPV system. That was easy to do, good cooling designed into that, and it actually, the camera fitted in the front with absolutely no problem whatsoever. So, but you enjoyed it, right?
Yeah, it's good fun.
And you did a launch, flew around quite low and landed it, first flight.
Yeah, and for someone that hasn't got there in England, we have something called an A test, which shows you've got basic flying ability.
Yep.
So someone that hasn't passed that yet, you know, that was amazing to see him actually fly
Absolutely
like that.
phenomenal,
Yeah,
yeah.
I was really nervous that he was going to struggle flying it, but he's proved me wrong, which I'm really glad about. So
All right,
that was amazing.
good team effort. Well done, Ollie.
Oh, thanks, Dom.
All right, thanks everybody for watching this Essential RC flight test. The link for this is in the video description and the pinned comment. As always, look it up for the price. But I think that gets the thumbs up and a recommendation from us. If you want to get into FPV relatively cheaply, this is a good little wing to do it with. All right, thanks guys, thanks everyone, and see you soon.
Thanks,
See ya.
Dom.